Paano naman yung mga nepo baby?
Are they excused?
Tayo, Bray. May nanay ka, may tatay ka. We think of our parents as perfect role models.
Hindi nila magagawa yan.
Hindi nila kaya yan. Ganyan. So feeling ko at some point, itong mga nepo baby na to, meron silang kinikreate na narrative sa utak nila na hindi, daddy ko, nanay ko, malinis yan. Hindi gagawa, hindi mo. Mabait yan, matulungin
parang
yan.
Sa yung mga magulang sa anak lang.
Yes.
Diba? Na parang pag may ginawang krimen, hindi halos makapaniwala.
Yung
mga
finrain
magulang
lang yung anak ko. Ganon, diba? So, kaya lang, ignorance is bliss, sabi nga nila.
I think at some point, Dino,
you think?
Maybe through mga padulas, perhaps, mga suhol. But they are experiencing this lavish lifestyle. Why would you question? If you experience a lifestyle na lahat kaya mo makuha, lahat kaya mo mabili, why would you question?